Hey everyone, my name's Mika and I'm a nutritionist at Foodzilla, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to create a meal plan using our auto generation feature. So it's really easy to use. You just click auto generate. You put in your chosen calories per day, so I'm going to go 2,000. Meals per day I'm going to keep 4, and days a week I'm going to keep 5, but you can do up to 7. Here we have our filtered section where you can choose up to 3 of the specific diets and allergies. I'm going to leave it on 1 and dairy free. And lastly, we have our macronutrient distribution section, which you can either use grams or percentages to write them up. I'm going to do 35% protein, 30% fat, and 35% carbs. And then you just click generate. And as you can see, it's done in seconds, saving you a lot of time. The editing is also really simple. It's just drag and drop, so you can move things around to your liking. And the feature can also use your database, so your custom-made recipes, not just our own, if that's what you'd prefer. The grocery list also gets auto-generated, which again is really easy to edit. And once you're happy with everything, you just click PDF, which saves everything as a PDF, and you can send that to your client via email, share using the mobile app, or you can print it off. Thanks so much for watching.